Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I posted an Instagram story. It's actually been quite a while now, but IGTV happened and I just had to cover that stuff. So this video has been pushed back a little bit. But anyway, I uploaded this story a few weeks ago and I have never gotten that many DMs asking me how I uploaded something or how I created something besides IGTV. So I thought that I would just share a quick video. This shouldn't be too long. It's very simple. I'll play the Instagram story in question. Basically, it was just a video and an image together. Amy Porterfield or Marie Forleo, or if you will. These are all people that I very deeply. So why don't they just stop updating the dang algorithms? I don't know. This is all that it is. So the first thing that I did was I just edited 15 seconds of my video in Final Cut Pro or iMovie or whatever app that you use to edit your YouTube videos. Take out 15, 20 seconds, whatever. Then I sent that to my phone. Then I opened up an app called Quik. It's Q-U-I-K. This app is created by the people who do GoPro. It's a free app. So you just go in and you can play around with the different settings. Honestly, I don't really know how to use it that well. I just kind of play around with things until it looks good. So I'll show you guys a little demo of me doing this whole process in a second. Then I exported the Quik video in a square format. And then I went over to, what's the app called? Unfold. It's basically a story layout app. So it's kind of like Canva, but specifically for Instagram stories. And I think that now that IGTV exists, this will be a great resource for that as well, for creating title cards and things like that. So then I uploaded the Quik video and then I uploaded just a static picture of the thumbnail of the video, and that's all that I did and exported it. So it's super simple. I'm gonna show you guys a full demo just so you guys can see exactly how I edited it, but it's honestly super simple. Unfold is the coolest thing. Like I said, it's way better than Canva because you can really do everything on your phone. You can import videos and everything, so really like it. So you're just gonna open up the Quik app and click on the little plus sign in the bottom there and pull your video, the 15-second video or however long. You can do it however long you want, your little clip of your video. Add that in and then it's going to basically give you all these presets. So I'm not doing any of this stuff. It's just automatically kind of manipulating the video and putting that music behind it. It's super easy. So really all you gotta do is go through the different presets and see which one you like. I will say this tends to work better for videos without audio, voice, because otherwise you see how it kind of chops it up in random places. But yeah, you can also edit the time with that little wrench. So you can choose how long you want the video to be and a bunch of other things. If you like the editing but not the music, you can change the music, all that stuff. So anyway, then just click save and save that to your device. Then we're opening up Unfold, and this is the story template app. So you're just going to create a new story and go through, and I just use this simple template right here. This is one of the free templates. Pull in your video and then your photo, and that is pretty much all that I did there. So you can go through and choose a different template. Some of them are paid. I did pay for one of the little packs. They're only 99 cents to get more templates. But you can see there's lots of different formats that you can do. You can add text on top of those. And yeah, you can just do a lot of really cool things with this app. So I'm a big fan of it. So that's the secret. Not too big of a secret, honestly, but I hope it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, if it's helpful for you, please leave me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. And please comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any other Instagram story hacks. I'll leave a couple of other videos about Instagram stories and Instagram TV in the description box if you'd like to check those out, if you really want to take your game to the next level. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.